Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're exploring how to take control of your time and boost productivity with the help of ChatGPT. Whether you're juggling school, work, or personal projects, ChatGPT can help streamline your routines, set clear goals, and keep you focused on what really matters. As always, don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra resources and tips to help you on your productivity journey. Let's jump right in. Ever wonder where your time really goes? By taking a closer look, you can spot patterns, see where you're spending too much time, and find ways to make your day flow better. Well, ChatGPT is great at identifying small adjustments that can lead to major productivity boosts. So let's try it out. I'll enter a sample daily schedule right here. Let's go over, attach the file, upload it from the computer. Let me just whip this out right over here. There we go. Let's just say have a work schedule for this month of October. Then ask ChatGPT through this prompt for some advice on optimizing it. All right. Let's send this off right now. Okay, here it is, the files and the data of my schedule. Let ChatGPT analyze it, and yep, here we go. Here it is. Just take some time, and yep, as you can see, this is what ChatGPT suggests. Okay, let's scroll up and see what it says. All right, so ChatGPT just generated an analysis of my schedule and also some suggestions for some optimization for better productivity. So one section right here is observed patterns, like for daily routine and planning. You begin each day with a morning routine and planning session. Email management seems to have their own dedicated blocks for project work, allocated in distinct time slots. For meetings are spread across the weeks, then wrap up in planning, focus on reviewing and planning for the next day. And down here, the suggested optimizations. Okay, so one right here, consider limiting email sessions to once or twice daily. You do late morning and afternoon to prevent constant interruptions. One right here for time blocking, schedule these blocks during your peak productivity times, often mid-morning or early afternoon. Okay, each of them only had one detail for reduced meetings. Assess if some meetings can be replaced by asynchronous updates. Down here, every 2 hours of focused work, include a 10 to 15-minute break to recharge. Prioritize high-impact tasks. Right there, identify the top 3 high-impact tasks each day and tackle them during peak hours. And then lastly, for weekly review and adjustments, dedicate time on Fridays for a weekly review. And then there's down here from ChatGPT. So suggesting with the question, would you like a sampled optimized schedule based on these suggestions? I would just say yes. And then I let ChatGPT analyze and then generate the optimized schedule from there. Just give it a moment. Alrighty. Okay. Oh. Oh, this is quite unfortunate with the error in formatting the schedule. My apologies, you guys, when you see that. Okay, just... Oh no. Oh, hey, this is not a good sign. Oh, alright. There we go. Okay. My apologies for the delay. Well, this is for the optimized daily schedule. Well, this is close enough. And at least ChatGPT was able to keep generating it really well, despite some errors right there. As you can see, there are some allotted time schedules here in each of them, the tasks, and they had to craft it out. So to recap, it's pointed out a few areas. We're going to be scrolling back up through this one, through the suggested optimizations and also the observed patterns, where, for instance, that I was recommended for specific times with breaks to keep my energy up. Yep. So even small adjustments like these can make a huge difference. So if you're looking to make your day more efficient, so why don't you give this a try with your own schedule? See, despite the errors that may come a few times, ChatGPT wouldn't give up. And see how this happened right here. It was able to provide me with the optimized daily schedule. And yeah, see? Let's talk about setting goals, specifically SMART goals. If you've heard of them, you know that SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. Having goals like this can make a big difference because they're much clearer than general ones. Instead of just saying, I want to be more productive, well, instead, we'll be able to break down that goal in a way that's easy to track and achieve. So let's see how ChatGPT can help us transform a broad goal into something, no pun intended, smart. So here is my prompt. So let's say, ChatGPT, I want to improve my productivity. Okay, so here's you're going to be asking, like, can you help me set smart goals for the next month? All right. So let's send this off and see how ChatGPT would help us out through the results in a bit. Alrighty, perfect. So ChatGPT right here, as you can see, yep, this is exactly what we needed. See, with the smart right here in each of these advice, there we go. One for prioritize and limit task, load. So it says limit day tasks, complete at least 4 out of 5 tasks, use a time management app, focuses on a high priority task to avoid overload and improve focus, then implement and track for the next 30 days. All right, this is all similar under one made advice right here. See, prioritize and limit task load. And this goes the same with the rest of this one. So this way, I have right here specific checkpoints to aim and a realistic advices, sub advices right here that could help me out. So if you're working on a goal yourself, try using ChatGPT to keep you on track and motivated using the smart version. See? Now, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. We all have a list of things to get done, but it's not always easy to know what to tackle first. By identifying which tasks are urgent, important, or both, we can focus on what truly needs our attention. ChatGPT right over here is great at helping us categorize and prioritize. So let's put it to the test. I'll put a sample task list. All right, so let me whip up a document file that has the list right over here. And then I would ask ChatGPT to help us prioritize through a prompt like this one. All right, everything is settled. Let's send this over right about now. Okay, here it is, and awesome. So this is what ChatGPT had generated. And see how are the tasks are prioritized. Sorry about that. So here we go. For the high priority is respond to emails 9 a.m., team check-in 11 a.m., client meeting and preparation 1 p.m. For medium priority, Project X, research and development 10 a.m., Project Y, content creation 2 p.m., and review and edit content at 3 p.m. They're lower priorities for the morning routine and planning and end of day wrap up. All right, so with this list and see how they're arranged, so I know exactly where to begin and where to save time. So if you have a packed day, try this one with your own tasks and see how ChatGPT can help you focus on what really matters. Let's tackle a challenge we all face from time to time: procrastination. It happens for so many reasons. Maybe a task feels overwhelming, or maybe we're just not motivated to get started. But with ChatGPT right here, we can find strategies to help us stay focused and beat procrastination. It's like having a personal accountability partner that can break down tasks and even set up a reward system to keep us moving forward. So let's give it a try and see what ChatGPT suggests. So here's the prompt that I'm going to ask right over here. And then let's send this off. Then, within just a few seconds, with the analyzing and such, here it is. See how it's processes and generated a list of suggestions of strategies right here. And nice. So these seems to be quite practical, I must say. So one is break tasks into smaller steps. Another one, set clear, achievable goals. Another one, use time blocking. Then limit distractions as usual. Then visualize the reward, right, as like a motivation. Then start with just 5 minutes and track your progress. All right, so these are easy actions that can help keep procrastination in check and make big tasks feel more manageable. If you're struggling with procrastination, give ChatGPT a try for some quick tailored strategies to help you stay on track. All right, that wraps up today's video. Remember, small changes can make a big difference, and ChatGPT is right here once again to guide you every step of the way.